Hey people, today I'd like to show you how to try to break into the system and evade an antivirus software using Metasploit framework. Actually, I've developed an exploit in C programming language, and we embedded the same exploit into phantom evasion. So this exploit, my main target was to bypass Windows Defender as well as Microsoft Security Essentials (AVG) and Kaspersky and many premium antivirus software, many sophisticated antivirus that people trust. So I actually succeeded, but in this case I would like to test this into a 32-bit Windows 8 machine which is installed to the Windows Defender, and we like to exploit that particular machine with a Metasploit framework using phantom evasion. So phantom evasion is the framework that is developed by my friend, and I contributed there by developing the same exploit. So now let's begin. This is the folder. Yes, now as you can see that you can open it in a terminal and then type Python phantom evasion.py. Now, okay, I forgot to tell you my name. My name is Tego Mike Muima. So I'm a Lesotho-based hacker. So we are to hack Windows operating system here. Alright, now let's choose one Windows modules. Yes, I'd like us to choose number 7, which is C Metasploit reverse stage, which is the one that I developed. Now let's choose JC number 7. Then let's press enter. Okay, now we don't actually know our if config. Alright, this is the same on my local area network, but if you want to hack on the wide area network, you can enable port forwarding in your router. I will do the same tutorial that talks about port forwarding. Okay, now our port is 4444, no problem. This is the basic Metasploit port, and let's say this is our 32-bit operating system. So now we can write it as a 32-bit. It will actually no, we don't actually need the whole shit here. Alright, while still doing that strip, don't actually need that now. Okay, let's start the okay, so now let's start Apache service so that we can transfer that to the other machine using this machine as like it's a web server. So you will use whatsoever social engineering to attack your victims with this executable file. One of the good methods can be by email, because actually it can only be detected by Google. I think if you can upload it to the sender space or Dropbox, there is no problem. So now let's service Apache to start. Okay, Now that it started, then we can. Alright. 192.168.24. Alright, so now let's see. We'll need to paste this. Okay, this is our executable file. So alright. Okay, now this is the 32-bit. Let's delete this one because it's the one that I made earlier in the tutorial that I delivered to the YouTube. So this is the one that I just did. Now let's go to the victim PC after starting Metasploit framework. Okay. Alright, when it's still doing that, let's go to the victim PC because actually and I would like to show you that the antivirus is on and is up and protecting everything. Yes, so now alright. So now that Metasploit has begun its job, let's use multi-handler. Alright. Now, sorry for the disturbance. Okay. Now let's try the set payload Windows into reverse TCP set lhost 192.168.88.24, which is my IP address. Set lport 4444. Alright, then exploit. Alright, now that it's alright, now this is listening. So let's go to Windows Defender and then Windows Defender Windows machine and then try to install the encrypted C virus so that we can see that it's possible for us to do anything on our computer systems. Alright. Okay. Now now you can see that session 1 is opened. So let's try to see. Okay, every sessions are opened there. So okay, all right. So now let's take the screenshot. All right, so now it's saved here. Let's see. Root. So here we are. This is the, you can see that an antivirus is up to date, but you cannot see this virus. Okay, now let's do anything that we want. Let's check whether there are cameras on the machine. Truly it's a desktop webcam. List. Actually there are no webcams, yes, because the computer is a desktop. So now what we can do is we could have stolen everything that we want. Let's see what is inside there. Alright, but you can see that, okay, now we are in the downloads, we are in the, let's okay, see that everything is fine, no problem. Alright, just that the session is that, and thank you for watching this tutorial. I think people can like my tutorial, everything I do. So thank you.